No one refurbishes true like Ancaster Food Equipment. As North America's largest supplier of refurbished true industrial-grade refrigerator and freezer units, we built our business on superior quality at the best value. With our state-of-the-art refurbishing process, you're guaranteed tried and tested true refrigeration equipment. A complete commercial kitchen solution for any food service operation. From excellent display and merchandising value to optimal food-safe storage, discover all new Refurbished True. Each Refurbished True product comes with brand new OEM electrical and mechanical components. Get all new parts installed, including a new compressor, dryer, solenoid, fan motors, defrost heaters, thermostat, temperature probes, and refrigerant. Our complete refurbishing process is a total transformation, with cosmetic enhancements like re-vinyled sides, repainted front doors, grille and sign kit, customizable acrylic signs, and refinished shelves and interiors. Your true cooler and freezer will look new and work just as good. At Ancaster Foods, each refurbished true commercial fridge and freezer unit is rebuilt to customer satisfaction and value. Completely overhauled and renewed for brand new quality and function. Enjoy peace of mind with guaranteed long-lasting function and a comprehensive 2-year parts and service warranty and a 7-year warranty on the compressor. Need replacement parts for your refurbished true refrigerator or freezer unit? Have them shipped to you anywhere in Canada or the US to quickly repair and restore your true equipment so that your business gets back into tip-top shape.